Just a short couple of months ago, we were introduced to the Soul ST-XS, a pair of true wireless headphones that managed to impress us with its punchy performance, low latency, and its incredible value of being under $100. Now, for the company's first major offering for the new year, the Soul X Shock is aiming to capitalize on being a more robust product, complete with high fidelity, a stylish new design, and a safety measure to keep you visible at night. Sporting a higher price point, it does make for a tougher first impression, especially after the sub-$100 Soul ST-XS, but let's cross our fingers that it comes along with some much-needed value and performance. Apparent right from the get-go, the company is obviously going after a different kind of design with the Soul X Shock. In comparison to the Soul ST-XS before it, the Soul X Shock clearly flaunts a slightly more stylish design. It's a subtle evolution with its glossy accents, but the overall foundation remains the same with how a small section of the earbud goes into the ear, while the vast majority of it is protruding out. Still, though, the overall look of the X Shock isn't too far from what we've seen previously from the company. When you compare its size to some other true wireless earbuds, like the Samsung Gear Icons or Jaybird Run, the X Shock appears bulkier when it's worn in the ear. Most of the cavity of the earbuds stick out, which can make them appear oversized if you happen to have smaller shaped ears. While it's wonderful that they're designed with an IPX5 rating, which enables them to be protected from stuff like sweat and rain, fitness fanatics will get annoyed by how they eventually become loose-fitting with moisture buildup in the ear. They're great for simple workouts, but for those that involve vigorous movements, such as running on the treadmill, they just don't have the snug fit to stay in the ear for long periods of time.